Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, so don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to talk about common problem that almost every Instagram apps from iOS and Android phone. So how can fix this issue? Simply step by step follow them. Now we can see here's checking Instagram status. Something the problems in Instagram sites you can check site don't detect us. Now opens Chrome app. Now search here don't detect us on Instagrams. Now type check. Now you can see here's a detectors. Now first up. Now yes app 40 and website 40 and feed 20. So back home screen close page. Now restart the app, close the Instagram app, completely remove from recent apps. Repon it. Now restarts your device. Something and simple restart fixes temporary glitches. Now tap power off button. Now tap on restart app. So tap it restarts your phone, iOS and Android phone. Now update the app. Please make sure they have latest version of Instagram installed from the App Store, iOS, Google Play Store in red. Now open Play Store and iOS App Store. Now search here in Instagram. Now check here the update. If you are asking update, please update your app on Instagram. Now back home screen, close the page. Now clear cache Android, go to settings and search here in Instagram. Tap it. Now we can see his new appear on screen and then tap here storage and cache. Now clear and cache clear and back home screen. Now check your internet connection, so please stable your internet connections and again reinstall the Instagram, uninstall the app and then reinstalls it. Uninstall the app and then reinstalls it. So check device storage. If your phone is low on storage, Instagram might not working properly. Free up space if need. So check for device update. Make sure your phone operating system is updated. So after the Instagram fix this issue. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. And thanks for watching videos. Thank you.